Hello, happy Friday, everybody. This is INISH Hydro back with you again, and today we are going to be making a nutrient solution. And just this blend here is what I use constantly, and this is the only blend that I've used before for my hydroponics, but it is a master blend for 1838 tomato and vegetable fertilizer. And this blend is pretty amazing. It's done so well for all of my plants, all of my children. They absolutely love the nutrient solution that I create for them out of this master blend here. And I find that a lot of YouTube users and other hydroponicists also utilize the master blend. So we're going to be showing you how to create that today. And I will leave a link in the description box below so you can order your own master blend. Alright, and I'll be right back with the nutrients. Alright, so I just grabbed my nutrient blends from my car, and they don't come in these containers, but I've just replaced them into Ziploc containers. This right here is calcium nitrate, and then right here is the NPK tomato fertilizer 41638. Just a nice little yellow fertilizer. And then we have our magnesium sulfate as well. Those are 3 parts that you get, and I'll be demonstrating exactly how to do this step by step. Okay, and then you can be sustainable and grab your vessels. I'm going to be using 7-Up can, Coca-Cola can, and a natural spring water can to hold all the nutrients for the measurement. Okay, so now that you have your 2 little vessels, you can reuse those as many times as you want, and these will last a long time since they're made out of aluminum. And then also you want a closed vessel for your calcium nitrate, because the calcium nitrate is water soluble, but it's best to put it in a closed environment and just shake it up to already to already mix the nutrients with another water source, so it'd be easier for your main nutrient solution to be very soluble and to mix and blend in really well with the calcium nitrate, because that can be difficult. But all we got to do now is just get our little scale, and then we're going to go ahead and turn it on. Okay, there we go. We're at 0 grams. And now all you have to do is just grab a little spoon. And then tomato fertilizer, if you're making 5 gallons, it's going to be 12 grams. And my container actually has 5 gallons in it. So I'm going to measure 12 grams. And excuse my burro bananas. Okay, we're almost there. Just a little bit more. Alright, 12 grams. And there we go. Just put that off to the side. Grab the next one. Alright, it's at 0. And then for your magnesium sulfate, you only need 6 grams per 5 gallons. So take a good scoop, get 6 grams of that magnesium sulfate. Or 5, 6. Oops, just a little bit extra. Take out a little bit. It's about 7. Take out just a little bit more. Alright, we're down back to 6. Okay, and then you put that to the side. And then for your calcium nitrate, that's also going to be just like the tomato fertilizer at 12 grams per 5 gallons. And I'll fill that up in just a second. Alright, so I kind of messed it up. It should be 12 grams, but I accidentally weighed the bottle as well, so it's going to come out at 26 grams. But when in reality you want 12 grams of calcium nitrate. Alright, time to go to the back so we can make our solution. Alright, now that you've got your 5-gallon bucket, or whatever gallon bucket you have, gonna pour your 6 grams of magnesium sulfate, pop that in there, and then you can also go ahead and add your tomato fertilizer, NPK. Let's put that right in there, and then you're gonna go ahead and fill this up with your water, and I'll be right back for that. Alright, go to your water source and go ahead and start filling this up. And I'll be right back to tell you about the calcium nitrate. Okay, so with the calcium nitrate in your enclosed container, you're gonna just open it up, fill it with water. About that should be good. Alright, go ahead and put the cap back on. As soon as I put my multi-tool away, close it on nice and secure, and then shake it. Shake it like crazy. You gotta get all that nutrient, all that calcium nitrate mixed up with the water. And then you have this nice foamy white. Just make sure to vigorously shake that some more. And then once this fills up to about almost to the top, we're gonna put the calcium nitrate. Alright, so when your nutrient solution is almost all the way to the top, you're gonna grab your calcium nitrate water. Just go ahead and pour that in. And we're doing it at this moment in time. So, because if you were to merge all 3 chemicals all together, you would have nutrient lockup. And nutrient lockup is when a lot of your nutrients become inert in your solution, so they won't work at all, and your plants won't be able to absorb them. So that's why we shake up the calcium nitrate and put the magnesium sulfate and NPK fertilizer at the beginning, because we want to prevent that. Just allow for the first 2 chemicals to mix up, and then we gotta let our 3rd one mix up. And I know 5 gallons is about right there, so I'm gonna go ahead and stop this water from pouring anymore. And then once you've got your 5 gallons, if you have a lid, you can go ahead and close that up, or go ahead and pour it into your nutrients, into your hydro. And that's it. That's how you make nutrient solution. Super easy and really quick. You do this under 10 minutes. Alright, thank you so much for watching, guys, and I hope you have a beautiful day. Thank you for watching my videos today. Please like, share, subscribe, and share the wealth, share the knowledge. Thank you. Have a great day.